Bollywood actor Irfan Khan, known for his very iconic roles from Pan Singh Tomar to several others, is no more. He was battling cancer. In fact, reports had suggested that his cancer had come back and he was undergoing treatment in a Mumbai hospital, and he lost that battle today, earlier in the day. That's the update coming in from Irfan Khan, a very talented Bollywood actor who rose up the ranks, did a lot of character roles, and since then, of course, moved to mainstream as well. But that's Irfan Khan losing that battle to cancer. And in fact, an official statement has also been issued where there is update coming in. I'm assuming it must be his office and of course his wife that must have issued that statement, saying that a man of few words and an actor of silent expression with deep eyes and his memorable action on screen. It's saddening that this day we have to bring forward the news of him passing away. Irfan Khan was a strong soul, someone who fought till the very end and inspired everyone who came close to him after having been struck by lightning in 2018 with the news of that rare cancer. Remember, he had earlier undergone treatment in London. He had recovered, he'd come back. He had shot for the sequel of Hindi Medium with Kareena Kapoor, but news had come in the last couple of weeks. His cancer had resurfaced and he was in Mumbai undergoing further treatment to that. Unfortunately, as I said, he lost that battle today. That statement further goes on to say that surrounded by his love, his family for whom he most cared, he left for heaven abode, leaving behind truly a legacy of his own. Absolutely, indeed, he's left a mark for himself in Bollywood, and he's worked across the board in a variety of roles, variety of characters that he's played on screen with equal amount of ease, both commercial and art cinema, and that really has been one of the hallmark of Irfan Khan, as I said, who lost that battle to cancer today. 53 years of age, born in Jaipur and risen through the ranks, as I said. All right, Urvashi Khona joins us for more on that. Urvashi, you know, suddenly there was a deterioration that took place in Irfan Khan's health earlier this morning.
He was not well since last night. He was shifted to ICU in Kokilaben Hospital. We had received the statement telling that how he has been fighting still. Yes, he was serious and his health conditions were not so good. But then, yes, we just understand that how we have lost this particular brilliant actor who was just super hit in his own way with all his works that he did. Now, if we talk about Irfan Khan, in fact, it was just some past 2-3 days back, Irfan Khan had lost his mother, and today we hear this particular unfortunate and sad news where we have lost one of the gem persons.
Absolutely. You know, you mentioned he lost his mother 3 days back. It's a colon infection due to which he had been admitted in the hospital yesterday. And tell us more, what is it that his spokesperson, his publicist are telling at this stage?
So there is this, we understand that there is this official statement out there by Irfan Khan and his team members. They do come out and say that it was in 2018 when Irfan Khan, when he just understood and realized that he has got struck with cancer. He did come out and say that I fought and I surrender. And these are this is the official statement that is out.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.